Konstantin Kudryavtsev, working for DeGirum Corporation as a VP of software development. So I'm going to show you two demos we have for today's event. First of all, we delivered JavaScript SDK, very easy to use JavaScript SDK to work with different hardware actually on the edge, including our own work accelerator. What we did before, we did also Python SDK to work with the same accelerators. Yes, and our differentiation is we can work with the same code through the cloud or on edge devices, and even directly with the hardware. So, I would like to show you how it works right now. So in the SDK, you need to basically use 4 lines of the code. First of all, to connect to the device. Second, to select the model which you would like to run. And the model, by the way, downloaded automatically from the cloud on your device if you work locally. So, and then run the inference on the model. All the pre-processing and post-processing done by SDK, so you don't need to care about this thing. Here is the JavaScript, which is running on the browser real time, you see on this particular device. And here is the Python SDK, which runs cloud inferences with the same code, but first of all on Python, and secondly through the cloud. So that's what I would like to show. And today, if you have any questions, you can contact to us anytime, and we will set up some demo for you or answer your questions. Thank you very much.